ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund is a hybrid scheme which invests in equity and debt. The fund was launched in 2006 with a dynamic asset allocation strategy. Here, the dynamic asset allocation refers to adjusting the levels of equity according to the changing market conditions and taking debt exposure to limit the downside. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund does this for an equity using an in-house model that allows you to buy low and sell high. What it means is it increases the equity levels in the scheme when the equity valuations are cheaper and decreases the equity levels when the equity valuations go up. You can see the net equity levels of the funds vis-a-vis the Sensex in the chart shown on the screen. The fund has been maintaining net equity levels between 30 to 80% to take advantage of the market condition. The scheme also invests in debt instruments ranging from 0 to 35%. So this scheme provides your investments an opportunity to benefit out of volatility by investing across equity for wealth creation and debt for relative stability. Now, most importantly, is this the right scheme for you? If you are an investor with a high-risk profile and an investment horizon of 3 or more years, then you may consider ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund. To summarize, here are some key takeaways of this scheme. So go ahead and give your investment portfolio the power of both equity and debt by choosing ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.